My hair is getting long. I think it's time to get a scrunchie. Let's knit one. Wool ready. My 5mm. Have them also here. Sorry, my iPad. And last week, Wool and the gang just sent a newsletter about scrunchie free pattern. They have 3 different patterns, and I downloaded the shiny happy cotton scrunchie. Yeah, you can check them out. You can check the link below. I hope it's still working. So I've got my wool ready, my 5mm elastic band. I don't have elastic band, but I think I'll get it in store sometime today. But yeah, this is what I need to make the scrunchie. I hope this amount of wool will be enough for the scrunchie. Will it be enough though? I have to cast on 85 stitches using the cable cast on that I forget how to do it. I have to look that up first. How to cable cast on. They have it also. Wool and the gang have them also here.
Let's get started.
Let's get started.
Begin by making a slip knot.
Begin by making a slip knot.
At the end of your and pass it through.
So this is the one. Now I remember how to do cable cast on.
Now
That's 85 stitches. Yeah, let's continue the chat. How are you guys doing? I wonder. So I have 125 subscribers here on my channel. Most of them, I think like 73 of you are coming from my Wool and the Gang knitting review sweater video. The one with the Billie Jean yarn. So thank you very much for that. The rest is my friends. And probably some of you also coming from my quarantine video, my Jakarta quarantine hotel video. 125 of you subscribing to my channel. Thank you very much. Really appreciate it. Keeps me motivated to create more videos for this channel. And we'll continue later. See ya! Have you ever experienced this thing? I have this much yarn left and I'm about to finish the cast off. Let's see if I'm gonna make it. Do you think I'm gonna make it? Yes! Ta-da! I'm finished! I'm finished with the scrunchie. Yippee! It's just that I left this part and I don't know why. Anyway, don't ask me. But yeah, this is the scrunchie. It is done. I'm using the shiny happy cotton. It's just one piece of stockinette stitch. Make a tube, sew the edges, insert the elastic band, and then you crochet the edge. Let's try it on. Also wanna do this. So yeah, my hair's basically it's getting longer. This is the first time I keeping my hair long. I don't have the urge to cut my hair. Usually I always cut my hair short after it's getting so long, but this time I want to keep my hair. I don't know what happened to me, but I want to keep it. But by the way, how do you put on scrunchie? Is it correct, like in this part, or should it be down there? Cute. I'm happy. Yeah, that's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching this short video. You can also make this scrunchie. Link for the pattern, I put it down below on the description box. I also have another video coming, and it's a sweater project. So thank you very much for watching. I hope you like this video. If so, please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe if you like this channel, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!